Hi there. Today I'm going to briefly walk through the two-way Salesforce and ThankView integration. We can both pull Salesforce lists into ThankView and track ThankView engagement directly in your Salesforce CRM. The donor ID is used to look up the contact in Salesforce. If the donor ID does not exist for your contact, we attempt to match it by the contact's email. First, let's set up the integration. You'll need to reach out to your client success manager or success@thankview.com to enable this in your account. Once the integration has been enabled by our team, log into your portal, go to Settings, and click Integrations and APIs. You'll see a list of all of our integrations. Find the Salesforce box and click Connect. You'll be prompted to log into your account in order to connect the systems. And as you can see, they are now connected. Now let's look at how to pull your Salesforce lists into ThankView. On the Integrations and APIs page here, toggle on the ability to pull your Salesforce contact list into ThankView, as I have already done here. Once turned on, you will now see an option to import Salesforce lists within a campaign, a ThankView list, or on your ThankView contacts page. Let's hop into a campaign and see what this looks like. Once you select a list, you'll then be asked to match the Salesforce fields with the contact fields in ThankView. This is the exact same process as if you had just uploaded a CSV file. Now the integration is two-way, so let's look at how to push ThankView engagement data into Salesforce. For us to map data into your Salesforce CRM, you will need to first create a custom object called ThankView with a variety of specific fields. We've provided this list in our Resource Center, so when you're ready, simply type Salesforce into the Resource Center search bar and click the first article that pops up. You can also reach out to your client success manager and they can provide that information. Otherwise, nothing else needs to be done here in the Integrations and APIs page. Please notify us once the custom object is set up so that we can verify it on our end. Once verified, we will push our metrics into your account every 2 hours. As always, if you have any questions or comments, please connect with support@thankview.com.